Stop scrolling right now. If your Xfinity cable box won't connect to Wi-Fi, this video can save you hours of frustration. I'm going to walk you through real field-tested solutions that technicians actually use. No theory, no guesswork. First, understand this clearly. Most Xfinity cable boxes do not connect to Wi-Fi directly like phones or laptops. They connect through the Xfinity gateway using a private network called MOCA, which means Multimedia over Coax Alliance. If this link breaks, internet-based apps will fail. Step 1. Power cycle everything properly. Turn off your television. Unplug the Xfinity cable box from power. Unplug the modem and router. Wait at least 2 full minutes. Now plug in the modem first and wait until all lights stabilize. Then plug in the router and wait 1 minute. Finally, plug in the cable box and turn on the television. Step 2. Check Wi-Fi frequency compatibility. Xfinity cable boxes work best on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. If your router is using only 5 GHz, the box may fail to handshake. Log into your router settings and enable 2.4 GHz band. Use the same network name, but keep the signal strong. Step 3. Check signal strength and placement. Weak Wi-Fi causes constant disconnects. Keep the modem and router at least 3 feet above the floor. Avoid placing them behind televisions, metal racks, or near microwaves. One wall is fine, multiple walls are not. Step 4. Refresh the cable box network settings. Using the Xfinity remote, go to Settings, then go to Device Settings. Then Network, then Reset Network. Confirm the reset and wait for the box to reboot fully. Step 5. Check coax cable connections. Loose coax cables break MOCA communication. Tighten the cable at the wall outlet and at the back of the cable box. Hand tight is enough. Do not over-tighten. Step 6. Disable power saving temporarily. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Power Saving, then go to Set Time. Set it to 0 minutes for testing. Some boxes disconnect Wi-Fi when waking up from deep sleep. If nothing works, the issue may be account-level provisioning. This happens after equipment swaps or outages. In that case, a signal refresh from Xfinity is required. If this video helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes for real-world tech fixes. See you in the next one.